Good morning, everyone. Guys, you have any doubts? Okay. Online students, I'm audible, guys.
Yes,
Last
sir.
time you have written the codes. Okay. Now I will explain the code to you. I don't know what happened last time because I'm getting a night like then volume. Okay. What is the code you have written last time? Some plot one, and there is one. I'll explain apply function again. Okay. I'll explain the apply function again. Apply, I will repeat again. I upload on Drive also. ऑनलाइन अभी आप लोग बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज पे हो ना Okay, guys, will come to GG also. Okay, we'll come to multiple sheets also. First, I am just sharing a apply sheet on drive. Okay, make sure guys your drive has to be updated by me and also cross-checked by you. batch में placements I think नहीं हुआ है लेकिन 3-4 लोग बोलते हैं this is my update. उन्होंने एक थोड़ी माइनर सी मिस्टेक की है which I get a report. When they are getting an opportunity, they specify the condition of location, which I received like this one. Now they are open to Pan India level. When company comes with the opening they want. Guys, 1 second, I'm just making a setup. Okay, log into your drive. Guys, make sure you clear your doubts and everything in this machine learning, because whatever we learn in machine learning, I'll repeat again in R. Okay, not the theory part, okay, but the conceptual part. Did we return missing value code? I'm asking you. Last time I make you write missing an outlier remaining. No, I think should be done now. Kiran, Shubham, Yogesh. Guys, you are not audible to me.
So actually, I also didn't return missing value.
Not retain one. I'm just saying, did I explain you? Yes or no?
Which one, sir?
The missing file, outlier file. Missing values, outlier. Did I done this file?
No, sir.
No? Okay. I'll give this 4 file today, guys. ggplot, missing and outliers. You complete this 4 file today, okay? Already file is shared on your drive for you. Just one more question. Is any idea from how many days we are doing R? September 8? Okay, 8 we started, 9 was holiday. 12 we have now. Monday आपको update नहीं किया था, you were not aware of that. Okay, कोई problem नहीं. On screen, guys, we'll come back to apply function. I'll repeat this again, okay? Because last time we have internet some issue. On screen, everyone. You want to see the screen, guys?
So it's only 3 days we start R. It's 9 of September, 12 of September, and we take online section on 16 of September. Or else we have holiday. That people are not there and some other batch lectures are there.
Okay, got the point. On screen. Okay. So guys, we have an empty cast. The empty cast is a file. Okay. It's the inbuilt data given in R. That data I'm assigning as ABC. And then we have a location called as an environment in which data is not present. Here data safe. In console we get output. In script we write codes. So empty cast is a data I'm assigning as ABC. Now how many rows we have? There is 32 rows. How many variables? 11. We can see this data also guys over here where we have 11 variables and 32 observation. Okay. If you want to see the data, okay, I write a function as view ABC. Okay, I'll delete this outlier missing guys. I need to update that. Okay. So this is the data guys which we have. Clear. Then I say apply. And apply is the base function. Okay, then we have apply family. Family means where we have multiple members. Same way we have apply family where we have multiple functions. Okay. So Kiran, why are you not coming to the class? Because I'm just updating you, Shantanu and Kiran. If you want,
So only for today, my stomach is paining
okay, not an issue.
little bit in the morning. Yeah, tomorrow I will be in the class.
So make sure I'm just updating you, Saurav and Dheeraj in the class. If any students want to come back in the class, you're allowed, guys. I will be there in class always. Okay. Now apply is a base function. So I say apply. Same way we have alphabetical A to Z. So there are many functions of apply. L apply, T apply, S apply, V apply. Then we have Z apply. There are many apply functions. M apply. So base function is apply. Data set ABC. There's something I'm applying on ABC. What I'm applying? Sum. Sum function I'm applying on ABC, and we have one. One means row. Here we have 32 rows. So I'm doing sum for each and every row. These are 32 values. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 32 values. If I do 2 means column. So I'm doing a sum column wise. See, for 11 columns, we have 11 sum. This is 5. 5 have 10. 1 become 11. For each and every column, like MPG column, okay. For all the values, I do the sum, and what is the answer? 6, 4, 2. Got the point, guys? How it works for you?
Yes, sir.
Next, apply ABC. 2 means column wise. I need a mean. For all the columns, I'll compute mean. Clear? It's a column wise mean for you. And next, we have apply on ABC. I said 2. 2 means column. Now, guys, I'm writing multiple functions. Okay. So don't get confused over here like this way. If you remember in Python, how we write to create a function?
Def,
function name ABC, parameter name X. So what here we use to create a new function in Python in R, function name is function only. So here we write def and here we write function. Okay. Parameter name is written as X only. ये clear हो गया? Function X. X will behave like my ABC. ABC will behave like X. On ABC, I want to compute minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation. Compute all 4 statistics on ABC and give me the output. For each and every column, guys, you will have mean, max, average, standard deviation. 1 into V need to allocate. 1 means row wise.
Row wise.
How will? वन रो ही है हमेशा बाय डिफॉल्ट ही है इनबिल्ट फंक्शन ही है कि ये जो फंक्शन आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो ये रो वाइज अप्लाई कर रहे हो कॉलम वाइज दैट्स इनबिल्ट फंक्शन ये क्लियर हो गया नेक्स्ट नाउ गाइस अंडरस्टैंड दिस ओके I'll work in Python and make function for you. Function name x, y, z. Okay. ये क्लियर हो गया पैरामीटर नेम x ये क्लियर हो गया this is a Python code guys okay then I say output 1 first I want to do sum karo then length of x sum divided by total count what is called as sum of all divided by number of rows can we call average
Average.
जो भी आउटपुट क्रिएट करोगे उसे डिवाइड करोगे 2 से इन रिटर्न में व्हाट आई नीड ये क्लियर हो गया गाइस एनी क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस पाइथन फंक्शन प्लीज आस्क
Clear, sir.
हाँ मैंने रिटर्न में क्या मांगा है आउटपुट so I want this one what is the function name guys over here what is the function name
XYZ.
XYZ is a
what
function.
is parameter name
X is a parameter.
now here also in R how it works I want to make function का नाम मैंने क्या रखा है XYZ see the way of writing parameter name X got the point guys how it works in R this is R way this is Python the code remains same in the body any change in body guys this is your body any change in this
No.
any change in return function
No.
can I say changes occur how we define the function only ये clear हो गया
Yes, sir.
on screen function name
XYZ.
parameter name
X.
X do the sum do the output 2 in return I need only output
Output 2.
here
Yes.
any question guys now apply the base function applying on which data ABC 2 means
Column wise.
so ABC में I want to apply but apply should be done column wise which function I'm applying
XYZ.
can you see guys any question on this easy next we have L apply BC mean Got the difference, guys? APC is a data. I want to apply function mean. Do we apply anywhere 1 and 2? In only apply function, we will define what is 1, what is 2, what is row and column. By default, all the apply function, L apply, S apply, T apply, V apply, by default works on column. Okay. Give me mean for each and every column. By default, 2. Clear? Mean of MPG is how much? 20. Getting all the means. Same way I run for S apply. What is the difference, guys, in both? Horizontal, vertical. Which is easy to read? Horizontal is easy or vertical is easy? Here you have 40 columns. Let's say 11 columns. Small number of columns. Tomorrow you have 80 columns. Difficult to read vertical. One by one also better hai na? Next to next. So it is your preference, guys. Either you use S apply or L apply. Output will remain same. Only presentation of output is different. Answer match. Answer match. Answer match for AM.
Yes.
The difference is in the output presentation format. Clear. Okay. Next. ABC is our data. I want to see the string. String will give you information about data. Now looking at this, guys. Okay. First variable name is data type. Number. How many rows? How many columns? You clear? Okay. Can you see the column called CYL? All variable is which type, guys? Numbers. I'm just converting ABC into S dot factor. Factor means category. So all the column I'm converting into category, assigning in data frame format, assigning in ABC1. Now, if you see the values, what become now? Prior was now coming in quotes. Can I say alphabetical data, string data, character data come in quotes?
Yes.
You clear? Okay. Okay. Now I check in column called CYL how many levels we have. How many we have? 4, 6, and 8. 3 levels, like male, female, transgender. Same way we have 4, 6, and 8. 3 levels in CYL. Now this is the data, guys, which we have. 4, 6, 8. You clear? Okay. So can I say we have 3 levels? Can we break it into 3 parts? 4 part, 6 part, and 8 parts. For if I'd say 4, how many rows I have in 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear here? I will have in first subset, I will have how many rows? 11 rows. For that 11 rows, guys, for MPG column, can we compute mean? इतने डेटा का मीन निकाल सकते हैं MPG को. That same function is called T apply. Compute mean of MPG for every level of CYL. What is the mean of 4? Mean of 6? Mean of 8. So these are mean for which column? MPG column.
MPG column.
Clear. Easy, guys. Yesterday I explained this also, no? Make you write this also, I remember. ये लिखा है लेकिन I will not explain you. T apply? Okay. Apply T apply. By default is column. Data set name ABC. Which function? Mean. Mean is applied on MPG. For which subset? CYL. The first is your computation, second is your subset. Third is the function which I want to compute. ये clear हो गया? Do you want me to repeat? Okay. Please cross check. I make you read this contingency table also. Yes. I think yes from my side. Just cross check.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Right.
But I have not explained you. Correct?
Yes.
Log into your drive. Take a file called auto.csv, guys. I have also given the code. Take that contingency table and auto.csv. Guys, take the code, run the file. Once you get the output, just update me. Done? Done, everyone, online students?
Yes, sir.
Ignore it. On screen, guys, explain this code. Okay. So we have an automobile data set. Okay. Read means read the file. Format CSV file. Okay. Dataset name is auto.csv. Present on this location of my laptop. Okay. This is my laptop location. This is my file location. How many are able to import data? Done. But the file, how many rows we have? 90. Columns? 27. Online students confirmed? Environment है, उसमें data. Console है, उसमें output. अब मैंने shuffle किया भाई. हो गया? उसे मैंने shuffle किया. यहाँ पे आप जाओगे, you can shuffle this. What happened? You will have like this one, output and environment on same screen become easy for you. ये clear हो गया? Okay. Now, guys, in automobile, do we have a column called as type?
Yes.
Do we have a column called as origin? Right inside corner. So origin means this data set is automobile data. Let's say Dheeraj have a car and he purchased from USA. And he has a car which is of, let's say, a small car. Okay. Ford car, model name Festiva. This is the minimum price of the car, maximum price in, average price, mileage of the city, mileage in highway. Very important, guys, to travel. In the car, do we have airbags or not? If we have airbags, where we have airbags? For driver and passenger, and for entire car. If you look at the top model, where we have airbags for back passenger also. If you take mid car, we have driver and co-passenger. If we have base model, we have only for driver. Because as the airbags increases in the car, the price of the car also increase. Same rule we have in India also, guys. Okay. Car is a how many cylinder, what is the RPM? Okay. Do you know RPM? Fastest you give the range the car exports and they get air or some noise of the car. Higher the RPM, more the noise. In the race, when they start, they give high RPM. So more the RPM, more the speed. Okay. Then this is the fuel tank capacity. Number of people can sit in the car, length of the car, height and width of the car, okay, and so on. Till you're clear. Any question on data, guys? Same data we are going to use in plot also. In table function works on count. Data set name, automobile, column name, right. On screen. Okay. If you want, I'll take this down. Okay, sort of. Are we clear here? How many compact car we have? 16. How many small car we have? 21. You clear ho gaya? Same way, can I say this are, if you do sum of this all is how much?
93.
How much? Do we have same number of rows? It's nothing but it is just a frequency data, guys. Okay. Now I said table. Automobile, give me origin. How many people purchase from which state, which country? How many purchase from USA? 48. How many from US? Some of this.
93.
At the point. So table function. Correct. In origin, we have 2 levels. In type, we have 6 level. The table function only give you the frequency data. Clear over here? If you need this in percentage, we use a function called as prop table, proportion table. In type of car, how many we have, guys? 6. So this table will give me count. Count I'm converting to proportion table, multiplying by 100. If I do not multiply, it give you only the ratio. ये clear हो गया? How much percent data we have for mid-size? 23.65%. The contribution coming from mid-size car. And for small size, can I say that
22.5.
mid-size and small size have 50% market cap? ये clear हो गया? Same way for origin. Let's say how many we have? How many we have US and non-US, guys? If someone asks you how much percent people come purchase from US, 51% of people have taken product of US. ये clear हो गया? Can I say we are working at single column at a time? Frequency of origin, percentage of origin. Now moving to 2 variable. I want to make a table between type of cars. And column wise, I need origin. Table function will give me frequency. Perfect. How many have we have total compact car? Total 9 plus 7,
16.
Out of 16, how many are from US?
7.
ये clear हो गया? You think? Want me to repeat, guys? Okay. Now mid-size car. How many we have? Where we have the largest one? From which origin? Come from where? The highest one.
Non-USA.
For small one. Okay. Large car.
USA.
So can I say, guys, in the USA we have Lamborghinis, limousines. Limousine is the longest car. Do we have in India? Which one? Kia Carnival. Just newly launched, but it's not similar to the US one. The US limousine is very, the width is very large. We cannot turn the road also. Okay, that's the reason in US we have a large car. In non-US people, we do not have any car. Okay. Now, same table, guys, we can convert into percentage also. It is our opinion. Okay. I'm assigning in table 1. Now row sum. How many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row sum clear? Car wise. Row sum table 100 into prop. This will give in terms of percentage. Same data, guys. So main important thing is for us, this is the data. So this table type and origin function to give me table value, frequency data. This frequency data I'm converting into table means percentage. Do we have a percentage format? Yes or no? This is not needed. I'll delete this. This is the original data. Frequency data. I convert this frequency into percentage format. If someone asks you in the industrial, okay, tell me how much percent contribution we have for small one. So here we say overall 15% gave a contribution. Now how this percentage is calculated? The question comes. Okay. All 93 was perfect. Sum of all 93. So 14 divided by 93 is how much? Do 14 divided by 93. 15%. Do we have same? This is your overall percentage data. Got the point? Each value is divided by total number and give you the percentage. Now, next one. Top table. Okay, give me the percentage table where margin as 1. 1 means we'll do a calculation row wise. You see, contribution of compact and non-compact. If you combine this, how much percent? 1 means row. Okay. So now, if you can see in tab 1, how many compact we have? 9 in non-US. In US, 7. I cannot save into percentage. Compact, how much percent contribution we have in non-US? 56%. How it's calculated? Perfect. 9 divided by 16 is how much? 56%. So here we say that highest contribution of compact come from non-US, and highest contribution come for non-US are mid-size and small size. And US have highest contribution of large and sports and van. Guys, if you get a time anywhere in the YouTube channel, this type of car in US, either you will get a van, modified Mercedes van, okay, or you get a sports car, Lamborghini, sports, and so on. Either you get a Limones last size car, like GMC. They never prefer to have a small car in the mid-size car. Okay, in India we prefer to have small mid-size car. It's the reason non-US we have higher for this ratio. But the point. So 1 means row percentage. If you do not specify margin 1, it's give you overall percentage. Okay. And if you specify margin 2, it's give you column wise. Perfect. Okay. Let me do for you. This is the original data. Overall percent. Understand the difference, guys. This is your frequency data. Okay. Without margin will give you overall percent contribution. Margin, I specify 1. 1 means row wise contribution. 2 means column wise. Now within US, which car is small in size, guys? Now, guys, in USA, highest type of car is which one? Highest contribution within US. If you see
Large.
within US, we have large
car, then
then
mid-size.
second highest mid-size. So within US contribution is different. Okay, overall contribution of the car is also different. But the point, guys, way of reading, clear? Want me to repeat this? Only changes happen where, guys? March. Clear? Anything else guys you have written over here? Okay. Any other file guys we have written? The ggplot we written half, okay? If you remember. I'll explain this, not an issue. Meanwhile, guys, you just write this missing file one, okay? Data file of missing file I uploaded on Drive, which is your R folder, okay? Take the data from there and you can write this one. Just give me 2 or 3 minutes. I have a call to receive, okay? Once I come back, I'll teach you ggplot. Guys, write this one.
सर लास्ट टाइम ये लिखा था सर.
Guys, write this one, which is the outlier one. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Guys on screen. Coming to missing values. Online students.
Yes, sir.
So here we have taken a data set which is nothing but your automobile. I think here we have taken a missing data. Okay. Multiple time I'm importing this file, guys. Okay. Need to explain how to import data? No. Okay. So we have taken a data which we have 32 observation and we have approximate 11 variables. Okay. We're done with summary. Summary of data will give you mean, median, maximum, and so on. If you look at MPG, we have minimum to max. If you look at WT, we have minimum to max also and NA also. NA means missing data. Whichever column have a missing data, for that NA will comes for you. Clear? Now, if you do not want to check for all everything, you just want to use sapply. Apply on data. I want to make apply on function. This means check. I want to check NA for data. If present, do me a sum. For every column, it will check do we have any missing or not. Any column we have missing values, guys? Where? In DRAT, we have 2 rows. In WT, 4. AM, 1. Look at this data, guys. First row missing. Second row missing. Third row. Fourth row. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So how many rows missing we have? 8 rows. Total how many rows we have? 32 minus 8. 32 minus 8. 24. NA means missing. Omit means delete. Delete from data. Okay, and assigning data 1. So whichever row there is a missing, that row will be deleted, entire row. 24, 32 minus 8 will become 24. And for that data, again, you check a missing. If you see there is no missing. Clear again. The first method we learn how to delete the missing data. RM stand for remove data and data. Clear. How to delete a missing data. Second, we import a missing data. Again, we again check the missing values. Do we have? Same. Now, we use a package called HIMS package. HIMS is a special package used for replacing missing values. So I just say impute. Impute function is present under HIMS. Data set $weight is the column. So in weight column, guys, we have missing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Row number 5 till 8. Replace with mean. Assign in same data, same column. First we need to call. Then we run the script. Same way we have a column called DRAT. Do we have missing in DRAT? First and third. Replacing this also. See, in DRAT replace 1 and 3rd. In WT we replace. Okay. Now we have to replace by mean and median. Second, we can replace also mode also. To work on mode, MVF, most frequent value. Data set, data, column name, VS. Well, this MFV is a function available in Modist. What is the most frequent value? 0. We go to VS column. In the VS column, if you see, we have zeros and we have 1. What is the use of table, guys? How many 0 we have? How many 1 we have? This is the highest. 0. What is mode? 0. Got the point? So wherever we have missing data, I will replace by 0. So first I compute the mode, which is 0. Impute data dot vs based on mfv. Assigning same data, same column. Now if you check, do we have missing in dat wt vs? Do we have missing? Because we work only on 3 columns. So in this 3 column, we do not have any missing present. Clear? Easy, guys. Any question on this? Good. Write this one, guys. Should I scroll down? now. Guys, done this one? Let's take a 5 minutes break, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. At 1:15, I'll start again. I'll repeat at 1:15, I'll start.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Guys, we'll start now. Okay. I think we'll complete only this fine. So guys, I have taken empty cars as an inbuilt data. I assigned as empty cars, which have Pareto observation 11 variable. This is inbuilt data, guys. Okay. First method, we are working on capping and flooring. Anyone can explain what is capping and flooring? We done in Python also. Online students. Then Shantanu, Yogesh, Shabam.
Yes, sir.
I explain you capping and flooring in Python.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll repeat again. We first check summary for HP column. What is the max value? What is the max value? 335. What is the minimum? How we identify outliers? Using box plot. Okay, I just make a box plot. Okay, figure margin. 1 second. Summary box plot. Do we have outliers, guys? Yes, upper or lower? Upper side. So what we do, we import a package called scales. Okay, and why we use scales? I say compute quantile. Okay, for dataset call as HP column dataset data's. At 5%, what is the value? And at 95%, what is the value? At 5%, what is the number we have? 64. At 95%, what is the number we have? 254. So any value greater than 254 is outlier. ये clear हो गया? So what I'm trying to say, any value more than 254 will replace by 254. Okay, squash is a function which is inside scales. Is to round up the number. If you have 2.8, round up to 3. That is the use of round. Okay. Squash function available in scales, working on empty cars, dataset, column name, HP. So we are working on HP column. Round function, they are similar, guys. The above code. They both are same. So any value less than 5% means any value less than 64 will replace by 64. Any value greater than 254 will get replaced by 254. Do we have anywhere number less than 64, guys? Yes. Do we have any value more than 254? Yes. So we replace for bottom also, which is your floor, and cap also, which is your top. The method is called as capping and flooring. I assign same data. See the max now. What is the prior max? Now what we have? What is the prior mean? We replace with 64. Prior we have outliers. Now no outliers. Till you're clear, guys. Any question on this? Any question, Saurabh? Dheeraj? This percentage, guys, we decide. Okay. Either we can take 55, 33, 22, means 2% over here, there will be 98. 3% over here, there will be 97. 0.10, there will be 0.9. Perfect. Now, the second concept is venturizing on screen. Empty cars, I'm assigning as empty cars now. Again. I just check the summary of data. What is the max now? 335. I just make a box plot. Do we have outliers, guys? Before treatment? Yes, we have an outlier which is on upper side. Can you see upper dot? Now, guys, I'm working on your capping and flooring. First, we compute upper limit. If 180, which is Q3, plus 1.5 into IQR. This formula, guys, we done in stats also, in Python also, multiple times. What is the upper limit value? 305. Okay. So here we say that the max value, 335 is max. Upper value is how much? So any value greater than 305 is outlier. You clear okay? What is the first quartile? Q1 minus 1.5 into IQ. What is the lower value? 28. Do we have outlier on the lower side? And we have no. Clear, guys. This is the actual data. This is your upper value. This is your lower value. Any value greater than 305 is outlier. I say in empty cars, SP value greater than upper value. Replaced by upper. So any value greater than 305 are replacing by 305. Assigning in same data, same column. Now if you see summary, it just get replaced by agree. Then again we make a box plot. So before treatment and we have after treatment. Outlier vanish. Okay. Now guys, we have a same data, but for lower we do not have outliers, but I've given the code to you. We just change the sign from upper to lower. Code remains same. Clear? Any question anyone have? On screen. Okay. Empty cars is empty cars. Again, we check the summary. We make a box plot. Do we have outliers? Do we have? Okay, same data I'm repeating, okay? Take a subset of empty cars. But the condition is HP value has to be less than 305. What is 3? Sorry guys, we face an internet issue over here. So we specify take a subset from empty cars, point number 1. But the condition is all the SP value has to be less than 305. Original data, how many we have? 32. If I take subset, how many rows we get now? Which row we have outliers? Only one row. That's the reason we have only one dot as an outlier. Clear? Why we're getting only one dot? Because only one row there is an outlier. Now after I take a subset, which is 31 row, I again make a plot. Do we have outliers? No. At the point, this is called treatment of outliers. Point number 1, either delete, okay, either replace capping flooring, either winterizing, okay, either delete. So we done only 3: capping flooring, winterizing, and deleting by taking a subsets. Fourth one is to replace outliers. Empty cars. Okay, first I'll clean this, guys, to avoid a confusion. Empty cars, assigning an empty cars. Okay. Again, we make a summary and we make a box plot. Clear? Working on same data, guys. That's the reason I'm doing again and again. Okay. Now, I just ABC is a main data without outliers. Okay, which has 31 rows. Only for that data, I'm computing mean. What is the mean value? 140. I just trying to say that if empty cars in HP any value less than 305, replace with mean of HP. Wherever the value is less, give me same data. Assigning in HP. Again, we check a summary. Okay. So now if we see this max become less and we make a box plot. Clear? So we can replace by pixelizing, pink flooring, row deletion, or by mean, median, or mode. It is your opinion. Clear, online students. 305 is upper limit. No? We are replacing with average, not with 305. Here we are replacing with this number. Average number. This one. 140. Any question anyone have? Please ask, guys. Clear? Guys, I'm just updating this code on screen with me. Just look like also low level. One second, guys, I will upload this updated code for you. Okay. On this, okay, I'll put this on drive. We did with D pillar one, na? I believe. This mutate. I believe we did this one. Kiran, Shubham, Yogesh, Shantanu, just confirm. We done this one now? Yes or no?
explanation बाकी है
Yes,
sir
sir.
इसका.
You have written this file.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I did this in the classroom only. Because after explanation only I upload the file. I have not uploaded it. Okay. Mhm. One second. Huh? Let's write this one, the function one. Let's write this one. So tomorrow I'll explain you a plot, data manipulation, and function. Any students done this one?
Yes, sir.
You guys done this one? This is the last one. Guys, done this one? So if you're done, we'll stop now.
Yes, sir.
Yogesh or Shubham, anyone or Kiran, just can you count me how many days we done with R till now? The number of lectures for R.
So it's a 4 day, including today. Including today, it's a 4 day.
Fourth one.
We
Okay.
start on the 9th of September.
Okay.
And
got the
last week there is 2 to 3 lectures not there, only 12 and 16. We
Okay.
have a
got the-
lecture.
Okay.
And
Kiran,
today
thank you.
is
Thanks a lot.
19, 20. Yes. Okay, sir.
So guys, we practice on Thursday or Friday. I will take a small test on R this Friday. Basic test on R on data. Okay.
On Friday, like
Okay,
we
sir.
did for the SQL.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be a classroom test. Okay.
Okay.